Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today, I will be showing you about my volcano experiment. So let's start. So this is the materials that we need. First, we need oil, some food coloring, some water, flour, and some salt. First, we need vinegar, soda bicarbonate, some watercolor or food coloring, and some dish detergent. Okay, so now I will explain about volcano and my volcano experiment. What is volcano? A volcano is a crack in the planetary mass object's crust that permits hot lava, volcanic ash, and gases to escape from a magma chamber under the surface. Is there any benefit that we get from volcano? Yes. The geological scenery around the volcano sometimes attract many tourists. Volcano also provides fertile soils which benefits our farming and crops. And volcanoes also provide an ideal setting for the formation of new habitats. So, I will explain about the details of my experiment. The aim of the experiment is to investigate the reaction between vinegar and soda bicarbonate. The materials that we need are flour, salt, water, oil, bottle, food coloring, detergent, vinegar, and soda bicarbonate. This is the procedure on how to make the experiment. Firstly, mix the flour, salt, oil, and water together. Then add food coloring to the dough. Use a plastic bottle as the middle point of the structure and build a volcano-like shape around the bottle using the dough. Then, insert soda bicarbonate into the volcano. After that, mix the food coloring and the dish detergent with the vinegar. And lastly, insert the vinegar and observe. Okay, so we have seen the results. But why did that happen? The reaction between baking soda and vinegar happens in two stages. It goes through a double displacement process first, then it goes through the decomposition process. So these two equations resembles the two processes. The chemical reaction is split into two halves. First, acetic acid in the vinegar interacts with sodium bicarbonate to produce the sodium acetate and carbonic acid in a double displacement reaction. But the carbonic acid is not stable, thus undergoes the decomposition process, which creates water and carbon dioxide. So the bubbles that we see in the experiment is actually containing the carbon dioxide. So from this experiment, we can conclude that there is reaction between soda bicarbonate and vinegar. This reaction can demonstrate how a volcano erupts. For Ina, I picked the verse from Surah Al-Zalzalah, verse 1 and 2. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم إذا زلزلت الأرض زلزالها وأخرجت الأرض أثقالها صدق الله العظيم. When the earth is shaken with its final earthquake and the earth discharges its burdens. So, according to Wikipedia, seismic activity, earthquakes and tremors always occurs as volcanoes awaken and prepare to erupt, and are a very important link to eruptions. Volcanic eruptions are always preceded by earthquakes and tremors. That fact was only recently discovered, yet it had been depicted and mentioned in the Quran for 1,400 years before it was unearthed. So how could a man who lived 1,400 years ago have known about this fact? So yeah, that's all from me. This experiment is actually fun. I really enjoy doing the experiment. So I suggest you to do it too. So that's all from me. Bye. Assalamualaikum.